driving can be quite a daunting experience, especially before like you even. It's a good place to come because there isn't the complexity of the roads, and it's a safe environment, so you can make mistakes without worrying. I was quite nervous when I first came. The instructor's really warm and welcoming, so that kind of is put to bed very quickly. I've really appreciated the experience. Now that when I go and have lessons on the road, I'm going to be less nervous and more confident. You're getting given instructions whilst you're doing it, so it is made to feel easy for you because you have that guidance from an expert. Definitely worth it, and I'd recommend it. Definitely come and give it a try.
Well, I was very scared. I was really nervous about doing this, but as soon as I got out there, I was like very excited. And it is like quite difficult to understand all the pedals, but I got used to it straight away. It's good practice for the future, and it's very fun as well. Not just about doing the driving; it was very fun going around all the track. A lot of people came back because it was so fun.
I came here because I felt that Castle Coombe is like a really good place to sort of learn the basics of driving, sort of get a feel for how you just want to drive. Like if you want to start driving and you want to learn like sooner, because that gives you like good preparation when you start doing your driving test. And I feel like it's really good to make you comfortable, and it's just a good like fun thing to do, and it's really relaxed. There's no interference. Like there's no traffic or anything, so you can take it at your own pace. There's no pressure, you can just sort of do it, and driving instructor is always there to help you out as well. So I think for most people they will feel a bit nervous, and that's kind of a normal thing to feel nervous when you go into it. We find that. I think maybe just getting a feel for the gears and the clutch and just mastering that could be a bit of a challenge, but I think once I've gotten used to that, I should be good to go.